Imagine having 13 premium tools at your fingertips for just $12.95, promising to skyrocket your profits and simplify your digital journey. Too good to be true. Let's explore what the Christmas bundle has to offer and break down exactly what's inside. Hi everyone, welcome back to Profit Review HQ, where I help you navigate trending products and make informed decisions. Today, I am reviewing the Christmas bundle, an all-in-one suite of tools aimed at digital entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone looking to simplify their workflow while maximizing profits. Let's walk through the site and uncover what's inside. Right at the top of the page, the Christmas bundle grabs your attention with a bold claim: World's first 13-in-1 AI suite for unlimited profits for a lifetime. It emphasizes no experience required, no tech skills needed, no Indian cost, and absolutely no effort required. The bundle is currently available for $12.95, down from its usual price of $97 per month. The site also mentions a limited time 99% discount and offers a coupon code Holiday Bundle for an additional $3 off. Now, let's talk about what's inside the bundle. The Christmas bundle includes unlimited emails. Send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with tools like MailPal. AI website creation. Build and sell websites with AI. Sales copywriting. Use AI to generate high converting copy. AI art and pictures. Create unlimited AI generated images and sell them. Video editing. Create professional quality videos on autopilot. Affiliate sites. Design high converting affiliate funnels. Ebook sales. Write and sell ebooks with ease. LinkedIn lead generation. Generate leads automatically from LinkedIn. Social media growth. Boost subscriber on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. The website sweetens the deal with exclusive bonuses for the first 100 customers, such as AI image library, 3000 AI generated images across 10 niches, Google Bard AI prompts, tool to enhance your marketing, TikTok ad mastery, a guide to mastering TikTok ads, AI YouTube masterclass, learn how to grow your YouTube channel using AI, live training, insider training sessions on running a 6-figure business. These bonuses alone are valued at over $14,700, but they are included for free with your purchase. The site features glowing testimonials from users like Mike McKay and Akshat Gupta, who rave about the bundle's value and variety. For example, I have saved over $300 and the training is fantastic, by Ariel Sander. I thought it was too good to be true, but everything was top-notch, by Joshua Farma Jr. The Christmas bundle is priced at $12.95, which grants lifetime access. They emphasize that this is a limited time offer and that the price could rise soon. Additionally, the bundle comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee, ensuring you can try it risk-free. This is highlighted under a bold statement. The value and quality of this bundle is unmatched. The website simplifies the process into 3 easy steps. Log into the dashboard, choose the services you need, activate and start profiting from all 13 apps. It's marketed as beginner friendly and claims you can see results as soon as day 1. In summary, the Christmas bundle packs an impressive array of tools and bonuses for a one-time price of $12.95. It's clearly designed for digital entrepreneurs, freelancers, and anyone wanting to boost their online income streams without breaking the bank. If this sounds like something you would benefit from, I've included the link in the description below. Go check it out and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning into Profit Review HQ. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you grab the Christmas bundle? See you in the next video and keep hustling smarter.